Hey everyone, welcome to Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle. Today, let me introduce you to our powerful and practical 4x2 red grid stake dump truck. It's equipped with a Weichai 210 HP engine and a manual 10-speed transmission, strong and reliable. The flathead half-rock cab gives you comfort with steel plate spring suspension for tough jobs. Axles are 5-ton front, 13-ton rear, running on 11.00 RT tires. Overall size 8340 by 2640 by 3290 mm. GVW up to 18,000 kg, maximum speed 85 km per hour. Great for off-road or farm use. Need a durable and multi-purpose dump truck? Contact Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle. This is your host Mongjia. See you next time.